कलवेणुरवा
कलवेणुरवा
वशगोपवधू
वसगोपवधू
शतकोटिवृतात्
शतकोटिवृतात्
स्मरकोटिसमात्
स्वरकोटिसमात्
प्रतिवल्लविकाभि
प्रतिवल्लविकाभि
मतात् सुखदात्
मतात्सुखदात्
सुदेवसुतान्
वसुदेवसुतान्
परं कलये
परं कलये
नन्ना चले Om Namo Venkateshaya. From confession, we moved into his giving nature. Now we feel his joy, not as a distant god, but as a playful son of Vasudeva, the flute player, the heart stealer. Did you know this verse blends two forms, Venkatesha and Krishna? The Lord of the Hills is also the cowherd of Vrindavan, reminding us the divine is not just powerful, he is also tender, musical, and mischievous. Now let's go into the line by line meaning of this beautiful shloka. Kala Venu Rava Vasha Gopa Vadhu. The gopis were enchanted, powerless before the sweet music of his flute. Shata Koti Vritat Smara Koti Samat. More powerful than billions of penances, more charming than millions of cupids. Pratipallavikabhi matat sukadat. He gave joy to each gopi, perfectly, personally, fully. Vasudeva sutanna param kalaye. I know no higher refuge than the son of Vasudeva. Now let's chant this beautiful shloka twice, like a Gopala himself smiling through the chant. Kala Venu Rava Vasha Gopa Vadhu Shata Koti Vritat Smara Koti Samat Pratipallavikabhi Matat Sukadat Vasudeva Sutanna Parankalaye. Kala Venu Rava Vasha Gopa Vadhu Shata Koti Vratat Smara Koti Samat Pratipallavikabhi Matat Sukadat Vasudeva Sutanna Parankalaye. 5 verses have opened like 5 petals, each one unfolding deeper intimacy. We've met the divine form, the protector, the giver, the forgiver. Now we dance with his joy, Krishna with Venkatesha. Shall we chant all 5 together now? Let your voice carry the journey from reverence to surrender, from tears to the soft sound of a flute. Kamala kucha chuchuka kunkumato niyatarunita tulanilatano Kamalayatalochana lokapate vijayi bhava venkatashilapate Sachaturmukha Shanmukha Panchamukha Pramukha Kila Daivata Maulimane Sharanagata Vatsala Saranide Paripalayama Vrishashailapate Ativelataya Tava Durvishahairanu Kritai Taparadashatai Baritam Tvaritam Vrishashailapate Paraya Kripaya Paripahi Hare Adhi Venkatashayla Mudaramade Janata Bhimata Dikadanarata Paradevataya Gatitan Nigamai Kamaladayitan Parankalaye कलवेणुरवा वशगोपवधू शतकोटिवृतात्स्मरकोटिसमात् प्रतिपल्लविकाभिमतात् सुखदात् वसुदेवसुतान्न परन् कलये. The Lord is not just majestic. He is playful, intimate and close. Tomorrow we meet Rama with Venkatesha, the bow-bearing protector, the dharma upholder, the ocean of mercy. May our hearts be like Vrindavan breeze. May we remember that even in seriousness, the Lord sings and smiles. Wishing you a day filled with music, joy and a gentle play of devotion. Om Namo Venkateshaya.